Hi everyone, welcome to this Yoga Nidra practice for deep relaxation. Let us begin by lying down on our back in Shavasana. Rest your arms on either side of the body, palms facing up. Keep your feet more than hip distance apart, letting your toes fall out. Take a moment to make any adjustments necessary to ensure that you are perfectly comfortable and supported. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely with oxygen. Slowly exhale out completely. Again, take a deep breath in, letting your belly rise up, and slowly exhale as the belly falls down. Once more, inhale deeply, and as you exhale, release any tension or stress from your body, letting go of any thoughts or concerns that might be occupying your mind. Now allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. We will now begin the practice of Yoga Nidra, also known as yogic sleep. This is a deep state of relaxation and conscious awareness. Throughout this practice, try to remain as still and attentive as possible, following my voice and guidance. Bring your attention to your body, starting from your right hand. Feel the sensations of your right hand thumb, first finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. Be aware of the palm of your hand, the back of your hand, and the spaces between the fingers. Allow your entire hand to become soft, heavy, and relaxed. Now shift your attention to your left hand. Feel the sensations of your left thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. Be aware of the palm of your left hand, the back of the hand, and the spaces between the fingers. Allow your entire left hand to become heavy and relaxed. Bring your attention to your right foot. Feel the sensations of your right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and little toe. Be aware of the sole of your foot, the top of your foot, and the spaces between the toes. Allow your entire right foot to soften and relax. Now shift your attention to the left foot. Feel the sensations of the left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and the little toe. Be aware of the sole of the left foot, the top of your foot, and the spaces between the toes. Allow your entire left foot to relax and become heavy. Now bring your attention to your legs. Feel the sensations in your right leg from your toes up to your hip. Be aware of your thigh, knee, calf, ankle, and heel. Allow your entire right leg to become heavy, relaxed, and soft. Now shift your attention to the left leg. Feel the sensations in your left leg from the toes up to your hip. Be aware of your thigh, knee, calf, ankle, and heel. Allow the entire left leg to relax and become heavy. Bring your attention to your torso. Feel the sensations in your abdomen, chest, and back. Be aware of your spine, rib cage, and organs. Allow the entire torso to relax and become heavy. Bring your attention to your neck and shoulders. Observe any sensations in the area. Allow the shoulders and neck to soften and relax. Shift your attention to your face, your jaw, cheeks, lips, nose, eyelids, and the space between the eyebrows. Soften and relax all the small muscles of the face. Now bring your attention to your breath. Observe the natural rhythm of your breath without trying to change it in any way. Notice the sensations of the breath entering and leaving your body. Be present with each inhale and exhale. As you continue to observe your breath, imagine a wave of relaxation starting from the crown of your head and gradually moving down through your body. Feel this wave of relaxation, releasing any remaining tension, soothing your muscles, and bringing a deep sense of peace and tranquility. Rest in the state of deep relaxation, allowing your body and mind to rejuvenate and restore. Give yourself permission to simply be in this state of stillness and calm. We will now transition out of this practice. Bring your attention back from the inside to the outside. Observe the sounds around you. Begin to bring gentle movements to your fingers and toes. Slowly deepen your breath and allow yourself to become more aware of your surroundings. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel after this practice of Yoga Nidra. Carry the sense of relaxation, inner peace, and rejuvenation with you as you continue with your day. Namaste.